Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute bunny eating grass. Here you can see that I'm using my black marker to draw the bunny. Here's its big head and long ear. This one is folded. Now let's draw its tiny hands. Now I'm drawing the bowl of noodle. Here's its chopstick. Bunny has big nose. I'm drawing the noodle from the bowl into his mouth. Here's its tiny foot. No, this is not its eyes. Here's its eyes. Both should be same size. Here's some mustard. With the same pink color, I'm coloring its foot. Now I'm using orange color. A little bit of brown. For the noodle, I'm using green color. Wow, my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.